If you're seeing a Figma plugin error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to fix it fast. This is one of those issues that can happen because of a temporary app glitch, a corrupted cache, a browser problem, or even a network restriction. So instead of guessing, we're going to troubleshoot it the right way and narrow down the cause one step at a time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let's get started. First, the easiest fix is to restart Figma. Close the app completely, make sure it is not still running in the background, and then open it again. A full restart can clear out temporary bugs and reload the plugin system properly. Sometimes a plugin error appears just because Figma didn't load something correctly the first time, and restarting is enough to fix it. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear the desktop app cache. In Figma, go to Help, then Troubleshooting, and choose Reset Figma and Restart. Depending on whether you're using Mac or Windows, the menu path may look a little different, but the goal is the same. You want to reset the app's local cache and force Figma to rebuild fresh files when it opens again. This is a very important step because old cache data can sometimes break plugins, stop files from loading correctly, or cause strange errors that keep coming back even after restarting. After resetting the cache, let Figma reopen and test the plugin again. If it works now, that means the issue was likely caused by temporary local data inside the desktop app. If it still doesn't work, don't stop there. The next thing you should do is test Figma in a browser. Open a private or incognito window, then sign into your Figma account there and try the same plugin again. This test helps you figure out whether the problem is only happening in the desktop app or if it's affecting your account or browser setup too. Incognito is useful because it starts clean, without old cookies, extensions, or cached sessions interfering with Figma. If the plugin works in the browser, but not in the desktop app, then the issue is probably local to the app. If it fails in both places, that points to a broader account, plugin, or network issue. Now, let's check your network. Sometimes a plugin error is not really a Figma problem at all. It can be caused by Wi-Fi restrictions, a firewall, a proxy, or an unstable connection. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network if you can, or turn on a mobile hotspot and connect through that instead. This quick test can tell you a lot. If the plugin suddenly starts working on another network, then your original connection is probably blocking something. Figma needs to load the plugin properly. In that case, you may need to check your firewall, proxy settings, or company network restrictions. So to recap, the best order is restart Figma, clear the desktop cache, test in an incognito browser window, and then check your network by switching Wi-Fi or using a hotspot. That sequence helps you isolate the problem without wasting time. And if one of those steps fixes it, you'll know exactly what caused the issue. If this tutorial saved you time, please hit like and subscribe for more Figma fixes and software tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.